Guys, I'm hanging out with Shaynoa, and we're over here at the Big River Management Area. Today we're exploring the Carr Pond side. Last video I did of this place, I did the one that was over at the other side, Nooseneck Hill Road. So today we're gonna go check out Carr Pond. It is apparently a mysterious area. There's been some drownings, unfortunately, so there could be strange hauntings, but there's caves, and this whole place was going to be a reservoir, so we might see some cool remnants of the homes that used to be here. So come and join us on this next adventure. So this is weird right here, guys. We noticed as soon as we got into the park that up here there's like some tree sap or some strange like liquid coming out of the tree. I'm not sure what that is. But we also noticed there's some, these beech trees that have some disease here that's kind of killing them. So let's go further into the woods and check it out. Something cool?
Well, these are gonna be ripe soon.
What are these?
Blueberries.
Oh, damn.
Low bush blueberries.
Oh, check this out. This is cool.
They're gonna be turning, see? These are already going purple.
Yeah, we can see. Okay, yep. So there's the blueberries, and
All of this on this whole side are blueberries.
I had no idea that we had blueberries around here. That's so cool. Check out that quartz. That's cool. I bet it looks even better with the sun on it, though. Maybe you can see the break.
Little garter.
All right, we have a small garter snake right here. Whoa, look at him slide. It's like a noodle. Let me get a video of him. You can see him right there.
He's a feisty noodle.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Okay. What kind of bird is it?
So usually with all this chipping right now, there's some kind of predator.
Do you know what kind of bird that is in there?
It sounds like a woodpecker.
Doing the chirping?
The chirping is chipmunk.
Oh, okay.
That means there's something over there that's bothering them. Actually, I see the woodpecker right now. It's affiliated. Don't move, don't move, don't move. It's affiliated. That's why it's so loud and I'm so excited right now. See him?
Oh, yep.
They're huge.
Yeah,
They're our biggest woodpecker. But that's what we're hearing right now.
What's the name of them?
Affiliated.
Can we get a good angle from here?
No, I'm blocked now.
We're currently trying to figure out what these birds are. There's a woodpecker, and there's either an owl or a hawk.
Right there. That's an owl, I think. Looking right at it. Just turning his head.
I saw something fly.
There goes the affiliated.
I can hear the chirping. Are those squirrels though?
Chipmunks.
The chipmunks, yeah. The owl's probably trying to hunt them. Oh, heard.
That's another owl calling. Look at you! Hello!
Oh, I gotta zoom in on that because I can finally see him.
Oh my god, it's made my day!
No, I love the wildlife. Okay, so we're right behind.
Oh no!
Oh, he flew?
Wait, oh, not fire, not fire.
He's up there.
Right there.
Through those trees is the barn, or was it a horned owl?
Bard.
Barred owl. What's the difference between a bard and a barn owl?
A barn owl has all those gorgeous glittery colors, and they have a horrible screech, which sounds like, you know, something.
They look like a ghost, kind of, right?
Like being murdered.
Yeah. So many sounds of nature. So that's called a pileated woodpecker?
Yep. They're our largest woodpeckers.
You can hear it.
Species.
Oh, there he is. He's right on top of us. And then we got the owls over here, you can hear. We're surrounded. Hang on. So the pileated woodpecker is somewhere up there. Oh, oh, there's the owl. Oh yeah, there. That was cool. We're getting good views of these animals. He's like up right above. I can hear him. I don't see him though. I know you can hear the owls hooting. I can see a little piece of the pond over there too, beyond the horizon. Oh, there's a bird. Yeah.
Alright, where's the other one?
I saw one owl fly that way. I saw the woodpecker go that way too. I think the other owl is somewhere in here. Oh, you can hear him. This is crazy. Most amount of birds I think I've seen in the woods ever. This is like something from like Skyrim or like Lord of the Rings. I can see how it's going to start getting a little bit more cavernous or cave-like. Oh, that's cool.
Froggies or toads.
This apparently is a cucumber root, and you can eat the root of it, I guess. You need to survive. Oh wow, look at this bridge. This bridge is sketchy. I think that this thing would snap.
Bicyclists probably put it there.
Oh yeah, you need that if you're gonna ride a bike through here for sure.
Oh my God, get away.
The bugs are bad today. Look at this. This is a interesting. Wow.
Hi.
Hey, what's up? That's funny. Oh wow, all right. Yeah. That is cool. I wonder what could have done that, like termites or something.
Little sprinkle spot.
Yeah, look at those water bugs in the top.
Yep.
Do you know what those are called? I've
Water
always
bugs.
seen just water bugs.
Yeah.
They always kind of freak me out. I'm sure the fish love them.
Dried up now.
Yeah, this is my first time coming there, so I don't know like how high the water level usually would be. But that is cool though. Look at that little whirlpool right here.
Here they say there's like spiritual, the Indians, all up in here.
So that looks crazy. Like how deep do these caves go?
I don't think it's, you don't really go in.
Let's check this
More
out.
of like a spot where you can like have shelter.
I want to check the inside of this cave out, see how far they go. Okay, yeah, it's not like a deep deep cave, just like a shelter cave. This looks like it was an area where the natives would be, for sure.
Get that kind of
Wow.
view.
Yeah. No, we're pretty high up right now.
Yeah.
What's up, doggy? How are you?
Alright, you look friendly.
Nah, she looks cool. There's a couple of them. Okay.
Hello.
You got, whoa, hello.
Hi.
All right, I don't know whose dogs these are.
Hi.
I'm assuming the owner's over there, right? Bye, dogs. So this is Tarbox Pond that we're walking by right now. We're on our way currently to Carr's Pond, which is supposed to be nice, clear looking spring water, but you can see this place looks a little swampy. It's cool. Look at it poking over the trees. There's Tarbox Pond, and right in the middle you can see the turtles kind of just sunning in that little sand lump, whatever the hell you want to call it.
Dead tree.
Oh, it looks like a dead tree. All right. Look at the haze too from the heat over the pond. Really cool. Look how like dead and hollow this tree is.
That's woodpeckers and ants.
Wow.
That's why there's holes like that, because they're going after the larvae and the ants.
Yeah, you can see the little pecks in the tree right here.
Yep. But inside the tree you can see the works of the ants.
Oh yeah, yep. You can see they went right through it. Interesting. There's definitely a lot of campgrounds around here.
Not legal.
No, but
That it could possibly be like a livestock burial.
oh wow. So maybe from like the old farm days, this could have been a grave for livestock.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Now, the area that we're at, are these where the old homes used to be and they were evacuated for the reservoir?
There are some things in this part, but there's more like towards the front.
I'm really intrigued at these like southern Rhode Island hikes because I'm from Smithfield and I'm used to hiking that area, the Massachusetts border. So I do a lot of Uxbridge, Cumberland, Lincoln, Johnston hikes, Smithfield, but I have not been very familiar with this area, the West Greenwich.
The best area.
Yeah, I'm noticing that the woods are a lot more dense and there's a lot more
There's a lot of stuff out there.
yeah, so Smithfield has a ton of abandoned mill buildings, but this is different with these campgrounds and homes. So right now we're walking on like what it looks like an old cart path or a train track. I mean, it's elevated. It looks really similar to the Woonasquatucket Railroad Trail. Wow, look at this. You can see the little shards of the wood. You can really see how they make tables out of it.
Right.
That rock is completely split in half.
Huge gully.
This
Way
is,
to get over it, and then the gully keeps going.
I don't know, like what is this? Like how did this get carved in like this? It's almost like a river. Eroded the place. Oh, there's a little frog in here.
Where?
Right there, in front of that log.
Oh, yep.
There he is. I want to really get a good shot of him right there. There you go.
It's a green frog.
Yeah.
That's what he's called. A green frog. It's not what do you call it?
Not a toad.
Nope, not a lot of people mix up the, oh my god, I'm having a brain fart.
Where'd he
Green
go?
frogs with the bullfrogs.
Oh yeah, you can hear the difference. The bullfrogs are.
Log.
You went under the log.
There's so much stuff in here right now. If you just moved or waited, it would come out.
Look at those rocks right there.
Looks like an eye.
It looks like a what? Oh,
Eye.
yeah, a little bit. Like a face almost. Yeah, I bet there is. I found one the other day actually at Connor's farm. Look at this. So this is cool. I mean, this is like a little shelter cave right here.
Yep.
Really interesting. Whoa. No way.
Okay, this was not here. How did this get down?
Is this an old abandoned car again? Like the second time I found one of these?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This wasn't here.
Well, this looks pretty old.
I know, but this wasn't on this trail. This was there. So when we go back, when we're done with this and we go back up, there's another car.
Have you seen this exact car before, or is this different?
No, this is different, but I swear to God,
There's a
this is the
seat.
first time seeing this here. This was not on this trail.
Wow, this is in a lot worse condition than the one that was in Snake Den State Park. I can't even tell what kind of car this was.
It was a truck.
Clay B. Rieger. Okay, so we're coming up on a foundation apparently. Oh yeah, I can see,
There.
yup. So this was some kind of a building. Let me go check this out. Oh wow, so you can see the whole foundation of the home or whatever building this was, but if you look, there's no wood. It must have all just rotted or burned away. Yeah, this was definitely a home then, because
Here, I didn't really get to see it like this before. Yeah. Foundation like that.
oh wow, I wonder if there was like their well or their basement. Oh yeah, there's some of the old piping from the home. This must have been their basement, I bet, or like a little
Could
chamber.
have been like a storage for
Yeah.
food, maybe.
How old do you think this home was?
No idea.
Guys, look at this. There's still some rhododendrons that are completely in bloom here. Look at that. That's really cool.
So this is like an old drawbridge probably. See how
Oh wow.
the slab, and you got this here, this is piping.
How would you pull it up? Like, oh, okay.
Bridge.
Oh wow, yep. All right. I wonder why they would need to pull it up in the first place. It's not like there's gonna be boats going through there. Oh, there's huge rhododendrons here. Look at that. You see these?
There's another structure right here.
Oh wow, yep.
Here's the foundation, and then there's a chimney right there.
Oh, there it is. Can you imagine having an actual home right here? You can climb that tree over there. Oh, there's the rope swing.
Yep.
That's cool. Look at that old chimney. Let me go check out this rope swing.
Oh, look at the water. It's so gorgeous.
I know, it looks beautiful. There's like a little tree house here. Oh yeah, you can see the foundation. So this must be one of the homes they made the people evacuate, I guess.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the famous rope swing. Wow. Look at these rhododendron plants too. It's amazing. Yeah, look at this view.
This is my favorite pond.
I mean, I haven't seen water this clear since like the springs down in Florida. This is
The best swimming water.
yeah.
Just gotta watch out for snappers.
Yeah. I'm sure they won't go after you, and you can probably see them. Not as bad as alligators, right?
No, no, they will. They'll go after you.
Yeah, there's another little garter snake. Oh, there he is. I just saw him slide through. There he is, right there. You can see him.
Oh, quarry rock.
Wow, all right.
You go up more, you can see all the...
What were they digging for over here?
I don't know, it could have been...
Oh, you're right.
Whoa.
You're right.
Yeah, this one moved.
Unstable rock. Yeah, there's another lady slipper. Yeah, I was gonna ask, are these actually technically called, are they like an orchid, or are they like some other kind of species? Yeah. Surfing.
Lady slippers. Are they part of the orchid? I don't...
They look very similar. Here's some more of that quarry.
Over here.
So yeah, this must have been when they were preparing to do the reservoir. They were probably clearing all this out, getting ready to fill it. What's it called?
Stovepipe?
What do they do?
They're medicinal. They're actually part of the blueberry family. Nobody really knows that. They're edible. Ghost pipe, Indian pipe.
Cool. So we got non-edible wintergreen.
It's Chemophylla maculata. And then Monotropa uniforma.
And that's a part of a blueberry plant?
Yep.
Looks like a mushroom, but
But it's not.
really interesting. How does that turn into a blueberry plant?
It doesn't.
Oh.
It doesn't. It's just part of the family.
Oh, it's part of the family. Okay.
I love these when they flower. See, this one's flowered.
The wintergreen.
Mm-hmm.
So we're coming up on this like little open spot right here.
It's just more of a dump of the rock.
Oh,
This isn't the spot I want to show you. It's not anymore.
yeah, this is like still part of the quarry. Still is cool though. This is crazy right here. This tree grew right over the rock. I don't know how it survives. So we're walking through a few different places. Apparently right now we're going to be going to an abandoned pump house, which is pretty cool. So we're going to go check out. And what would it do? Would it just like pump the water out of Carr's Pond or something?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Out. You'll see. It won't fight too. It goes in the water.
Oh my.
The water find it. I want to like walk out on it.
It is unbelievably buggy right now. But we're good.
It's just the classic rock.
Oh, that's funny. And someone spray painted eyes on it. Or painted it. Looks like a nose. Right there looks like more like of the quarry. That's an incredible view right there. Wow.
And you got this outcropping right here. See?
Oh man. So is this a quarry? Like this was the actual quarry area? There's a foundation down there, it looks like, too. Wow, this is cool. Let's go get a good view of the oh yeah, it definitely was a quarry because you can see the little notches. Wow. Yeah, it does look really cool. All right, guys, this is the Carr Pond, or Carr's Pond. Look at that, how clear that water looks right now. We have a quarry with another foundation down there. This is amazing. This looks like some of the clearest water I've seen in a pond. All right, this place is beautiful. Now, I'm hearing rumors that there's going to be an abandoned pump house around here where the water was either pumped in or out of the pond. So there's a lot of buildings here, a lot of abandoned quarries and beautiful lake views. So let's see what's up next. Yeah, look at that. You can easily see the slabs of rock where used to be a quarry. Wow, look at this. This is crazy that this is in Rhode Island. I mean, this looks like something from New Hampshire, right?
We'll have to take you to the one in Westerly.
Oh boy.
See all the holes?
Yeah, where they would drill. Have you done Napa Tree Point out in Westerly?
Yeah. I've done all of Westerly.
Napa Tree Point's an awesome hike, but they're very, like, it's tough to park there to be able to do the hike. Look at that.
I don't want to fall from here.
No, that would not be good. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, yeah, don't move. Oh, fuck, get back. Come on, it's my first butterfly.
Of the season?
Yes.
Oh, here it is. Oh, this is what I saw on Google Maps. I saw this picture over here. This is an awesome picture. Wow.
I have pictures on this hike. I have pictures of me and my daughter all the way up.
You walked on it?
Yeah.
Is it difficult to walk on?
Yeah, if you're not balanced.
Oh, look at all this. Wow. So this is actually a lot different than the pump house that was in Blackstone Valley, because that one you could really like go inside and walk around. This looks like the wood is completely gone. Everything just rotted away. It's crazy.
Usually that water is like pumping now. Pumping.
And you can see here, there's the like little gauge, I guess.
Yeah, it's usually high.
The water level.
Yeah.
Hey, I wonder if it's in good shape, if you can use it.
So it goes piping all down there.
Look at that big white birch tree right there. That's cool. Oh, that's cool. You can see the little foundation over here too for the... This is definitely urban exploration. Oh, wow. I want to see that swamp over there too, yeah. So just ahead of me looks like there's a swamp. I'm gonna go check this place out. All right, we're coming up on the swamp right now. How is it over here?
Actually a wetland.
I can hear the birds.
There's a ton of frogs chirping that way. Most likely bullfrogs. Those to the left are blue jays. There was a turtle in here that swam away.
Oh, missed them.
That's what I'm trying to see if there's any.
You think they would be sunning
Usually
themselves?
A lot of times too that you could see like different herons out here, not just the blue heron.
Oh yeah, the I like the snowy white egrets. Those are cool.
Two egrets. They're yellow legs, and then they have the black legs, so they're snowy and yellow legs.
Tiny little toad. Oh, come on. I guess doesn't want to be held.
Nope, I'm gonna pee on your hand.
Yeah, I know, they get that musk. Come on, buddy. He's terrified. All right. Well. So right now we just found another foundation as we keep going deeper into the woods. I can't believe how huge this place is. We've already done 7 miles since the beginning, and this is only half of the park. So check out this. Wow. There's a few of them back over here, actually. Okay, yep, I see right here. Woo, it's buggy in these foundations, though. There's a few of them. Do you have any idea what these were?
No, I mean, but we're close to like going down to the water, so there's probably like homes.
Yeah. These look like they must have been old homes, though.
Yeah.
So we got a bit of an incline over here, it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, look at that foundation. Wow.
Told you I wanted to go this way.
It's incredible. This is this looks really similar to the ones at Buck Hill. Have you ever been to Buck Hill and saw their foundations?
Mm-hmm.
So guys, look at this. We just found a second abandoned car. This is crazy. This almost looks like it's the other half of the same truck. I don't know how they would move it this far down.
No, this is a separate one.
I mean, why do people just dump cars in the woods?
This has been here for a long time.
Yeah.
I've been coming here since I was 15.
I wonder if that's the original paint. Hubcap. If anybody can figure out what this is, let me know in the comments what kind of car. Look at that. Well guys, thanks for watching. We just did the whole Carr Pond Loop at Big River Management Area. Big shout out to Shane Noah for showing me around, and I would have never been able to find all those abandoned structures without her, so I really appreciate it. Thank you. So I appreciate you guys too for watching, and I hope you stay tuned because we're going to be having a lot more awesome hikes like this coming soon. There still is way more Big River Management area to film sometime in the future, so enjoy the rest of your day and have a great hike.